we're going about 5 years now.
5 years. How has business been so far?
Well, I tell you, we have to thank God because He has been the one providing for us, and we put Him first, and then everything else come after.
What are some of the products that you offer, for those who don't know?
About it,
What are some of the products that you offer? What exactly do you specialize in?
we specialize right now in paints. We're giving paint at a very good price, and all the items we are giving 10 and 20% on selected items.
Okay.
Electrical things, we get about 15 at all the time.
Hello?
And we treat all the customers we have as very special. I guess that's why they keep coming back.
Okay. How will the 2014 calendar benefit your business?
The 2014
Yes, this calendar
or
coming up.
13.
This calendar coming up, how will it benefit your business?
Well, one of the things that happen is that people are able to call us from at different times. They sign the phone number in it, and then the advertisement in it. It helps to push shipping forward.
Okay. Is there any specials or sales going on for this season?
Any? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
You hearing me?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm saying, is there any special or sales going on this Christmas?
Well, the sale that we are doing, we start from November. And so, like I said earlier, our paint is on special. And we have other items also that we're promoting.
Okay. How can you be contacted? Or where's the location and the number for the place?
Okay, I'm located at 18 West Palm Avenue in Port Antonio. And our contact is 715-1724 or 993-9763. You can also contact us at our email.
My final question, how reasonable is your prices compared to other hardware stores?
Well, I judge that by the feedback that I get from time to time, because there are people who go to other places and then they come here and instead of leaving it, what they want.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
Hello?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Yes, I would also like to thank all the customers and all the people that support Robinson Son, and I want to pray a special blessing for them that the Lord will prosper them.
Okay.
Because now when the Lord bless them and prosper them, then I'll get a piece of the blessing.
Definitely, definitely.
So I thank them very much for making it Robinson Sons hardware. And I look forward to serving them even better in the coming year.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much for sharing the information with us and being a sponsor with the calendar for 2014, and wish you all the best for the rest of the year.
Thanks very much, and God bless you richly.
Okay. Thank you.
Good.
So that was an interview with Mr. Robinson from Robinson and Sons Hardware. We're going to take a quick break and be right back with some more music.
I'm on the go, I'm on the go. I'm on the go, I'm on the go.
You've been standing like that beside the radio all day. Haven't you heard about Stars FM on the go? With Styles FM on the go, you can listen to your favorite programs by calling the USA number 213-992-4360. If you're in the UK, it's 020-3670-1330.
It's that easy? Wow! Styles FM on the go? I like it.
It's Christmas time again. What better way to celebrate than shopping with Robinson and Sons Hardware, 18 West Palm Avenue, Port Antonio, the original hardware since 1986, giving you the best price, quality, and service you deserve. Big discount sale going on now. 10 to 20% discount on electrical items, bathroom and plumbing fixtures, lumber, paints, cement, blocks, doors, windows, solar, water heater, electrical tools, and a whole lot more. Robinson's and Son Hardware. Come celebrate with us this festive season. 18 West Palm Avenue, Port Antonio. We're always here to serve you.
Architects, draftsmen, and surveyors, get your drawings printed in high-quality professional standards. We can satisfy your printing needs. Whether it is for presentation to your clients or for submitting building and subdivision application, make it VJ Printing Services. Whether drawing by hand or with computer-aided softwares, we will plot your negatives and print the copies as you need. We do high-quality white paper printing that is water-resistant.